how to read a candlestick chart. We're going to go over what candles show. We're going to go over open, high, low, and close prices. We're going to go over what a bullish candle is. We're going to go over what a bearish candle is. We're going to go over what wicks are. And we're going to go over why candles matter. A candlestick chart tells the story of price movement of that asset. Each candle shows you where price opened, where it moved high to, and where it moved lowest to, and then where it closed during a certain time period. A bullish candle usually means price pushed higher during that candle period. A bearish candle usually means price pushed lower during that candle period. The body of the candle shows the main move and how strong of the move it was. The wicks show rejection or weakness. Wicks matter because they tell you where price wanted to go, but then the opposite, and then it got pushed the opposite direction. That is key signals for direction changes. I need you to just adopt that. Right. Beginners must stop seeing candles as random bars and start seeing them as evidence of a battle between buyers pushing it up, pushing that asset price up, and sellers selling and pushing that asset price down. When you understand candles, charts start to become information and art instead of noise. So let's go over some candles real time and get you closer and clearer on what is being said. We are on the SPY chart, and these are candlesticks. This candle, we are on the daily time frame. This candle represents SPY price movement on Friday, April 24th. As you can see, the tab on the bottom, the black tab, showing you the date, the year, and the day. And on the top, when I hover over this candle, the top shows us the open. The O represents the open price. The H represents the highest price. The L represents the lowest price. And the C represents the closing price of that day. This candle, the wicks at the bottom, as you can see, let's get it clear up. The wicks shows you that the price, the body was down here. The top wick shows you that the price was up here. That is your lowest price. The top wick is your highest price. The body is the most important piece. Candlestick bodies. So the price opened on a green candle. The price opens on the bottom of a green candle. The price opened here at 710.75. The price went all the way down as low as 709.01. Then it got pushed back up all the way as high as 714.47. And then it got pushed back down and closed at the top here at 713.94. Green bullish candles open at the low of the body, and closes at the top of the body. Right? Keep that in mind. All right. Red candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom. Thursday, bearish candle. Let's go over this one. Thursday, bearish candle, because it's red and it closed red, says price opened here at 709.50, got pushed all the way down to as low as 702.28, got pushed all the way up to as high as 712.36, and then got pushed all the way down to the top here, which is the close, 708.45. So the pushing and the pulling is buyers, people who want to buy that asset at certain prices, and the price of that asset goes up, and sellers who has already owned those assets and selling them at certain prices, and then that pushes the price down. So that's why you have battles between buyers and sellers because they push up the price of that asset and or push down the price of that asset by selling their shares. So that's how to read a candlestick. Let's move along.